Sanibona bafethu, ingabi Orlando Pirates isenkingeni na? Ingabi Orlando Pirates isenkingeni na ku-Group C we-Champions League? Join us now ku-Group C we-Champions League. Khona i-Al Ahly, kukhona i-Stade Abidjan, mase kuba khona i-CR Belouizdad, mase kubiyona i-Orlando Pirates. As things stand, i-Al Ahly number 1, mase kulandela i-CR Belouizdad, mase kulandela i-Orlando Pirates number 3, mase kulandela le team le i-Stade Abidjan. I-Al Ahly na 7 points, mase kuthi i-Stade Abidjan sibe na 6 points, mase kuthi Orlando Pirates ibe na 5 points, mase kuthi le team le-Stade Abidjan ibe na 1 point. Yathwala lo point idlane Orlando Pirates sa-draw ndawonye, yabo. I feel like i-Orlando Pirates le game le idlala away against Stade Abidjan kwangamelanga siyi-draw. Because sesiyifakele i-pressure manje. Kwasodlala i-game le namhlanje sodlala i-Stade Abidjan. Kumele size show siyayiwina le game le. Yabo, kumele senze show siyayiwina le game because uma subheke i-group mase imi kanje. Obviously Al Ahly izowina against Stade Abidjan. Al Ahly miwina izoba na 10 points. Yabo, mase izodlala nani, izodlala Orlando Pirates. Izofuna ukuyiwina futhi leyo match leyo. Yabo, let's say mhlambe bayawina ke. Yabo, bayawina babe na let me think. I think 13 points if I'm not mistaken. Yabo, babe na 13 points. Mase ukuthi i-CR Belouizdad izodlala nathi. Let's say thina siyadraw ne-CR Belouizdad. Sidraw ne-CR Belouizdad mase yashaya i-Al Ahly mase sidlala le. Yabo, kuzoba khona inkinga lapho. Yabo, so mina i-solution engayinayo ni-Pirates ukuthi every game esoyidlala home kumele senze sure ukuthi siyawawina la match esodlala home. Because mase ubheke ama-match asalele manje, salela ama-match amathathu. So ile soyidlala namhlanje okuyi-must win game. That's a must win game because if we fail to win today, sizophatha ama-calculate ngezandla and sothembela kwamanye team ukuthi adliwe noma win. Yabo, so igame namhlanje it's a must win game and igame ye-CR Belouizdad, that's a must win game because we are playing home. Yabo, we played against the CR Belouizdad idlala away, kwakora lo mfana lo Nkota eshaya i-brace waskora kukhanyisa mayo igoli lange second half. So le game leya esoyidlala next week against the CR Belouizdad, it's a must win game. Maybe ke so force i-draw masidlala le away kwi-Al Ahly. Yabo, lapho ke kuzoba favorable ukuthi mhlambe siyi-top group because if we win today, keep in mind if we win today so i-top le group le. Yabo, if we win today we'll top this group mase siyodlala nale team le i-CR Belouizdad. Le team mhlambe siyayiwina ke leyo game. Yabo, sizoba head to head nale team le Al Ahly. Yabo, so i-last game yethu ne-Al Ahly kumele senze sure ukuthi siyawina khona sizoba number 1 kule group le futhi. Mase bu number 1 sizoba yabo nama-draw are favorable to us kuma-knockout stages. I hope I make sense but ke lezi zinto yabona le group nje buyimi kanje bafethu izosineza inkinga kakhulu ngoba uma ngase iphume Orlando Pirates la. Uma ngase iphume Orlando Pirates la, yo aniyazi ibhensa ama-opposing fans azofika nayo. Yabo, I think we do have a chance ukuthi siqualify. Kuyikona ukuthi manje sekunzinyana because I don't know, i-Al Ahly vlesha we-CR Belouizdad. Yabo, inenkinga i-Al Ahly. Senginathisile indlela edlala ngakhona this season. Maybe other season but this season indlela edlala ngakhona ngidlala away. Bokunaki, midlala away ayidlali njengale Al Ahly esuyidlala home. Iya defender midlala away, iba defensive. And nonto leyo angazi mhlambe kumele bamquestion ucoach wabo ukuthi kahle kahle coach yini udlalisa yona. Yabo, because you cannot play defensive uyithime njenge-Al Ahly. You have capabilities of winning games. Bayishaya i-CR Belouizdad bedlala home ngescore esikhulu kabi. Yabo, so why bedefender kanje bedlala away? Ngoba mhlawumbe befuna uchwethe Orlando Pirates because bayazi Orlando Pirates ingabanikeza ubungozi mase kiwele kuma-knockout stages noma phela ngesazi but Al Ahly bokunaki uma ukhumbula kahle bedlala ne-Orlando Pirates abadlalanga kahle. Yabo, ababanga nawo ama-shots amaningi, babe defensive. I don't know why bedlala kanje ya. Yabo, I don't know why ngempela but ke akusenani ke thina medla away sakhombisa ukuthi siyafuna ukuwina. Sayishaya i-CR Belouizdad, sacishe sayishaya i-Stade Abidjan kuyikona ukuthi sistrikeisa umuntu wengafuna ukukhahlela lapha phambili uMakgopa. Yabo, so nje thina kumele senze sure kule game esoyidlala ne-CR Belouizdad ne-Stade Abidjan, those two games siyawawina. Manje sidlala le away siyayiforce win noma mhlambe siforce draw because I cannot accept to lose. Yabo, because if we accept to lose fana ukuthi phela bafethu so hlangana nama-team anzima phela lapha kuma-knockout stages but ke akusenani. Yabo, ama-games akanje azosinikeza experience ukuthi sikwazi ukudlala under pressure. Yabo, because manje i-group nje imi kanje Sesi-under pressure. Sesi-under pressure, but I don't think sisenkingeni ngaleyo ndlela. But yona inkinga le, but I don't think sisenkingeni ngaleyo ndlela. But ungangitshela ama-comments, ungakhohlwa usubscribe Uvane Sports lo. Ngabe Orlando Pirates isenkingeni noma le group le sokwazi ukuyithopa. Yabo, ungangitshela ama-comments mfethu Uvane Sports.